Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how we can deploy Azure Service Bus resource on the Azure portal, and we are going to have a quick look on the pricing as well. So let's begin the video. So in the most simplest terms, you can think of Azure Service Bus as a post office where it will receive different messages or posts from different apps. It will collect it and send them to the appropriate apps. So it has queues and these other concepts in it as well, and we can select the tier like basic, standard or premium depending on our needs for the queues or other things and according to the usage. So let's move toward the Azure pricing page and let me show you. So here I have opened the service bus pricing, and if you scroll down, first of all select your region wherever you're going to deploy the service bus. In my case it's East US, the currency is United States. Here you will see the three tiers that are provided: basic, standard and premium. So if you go with the basic, you only get queues and scheduled messages, and the message size is 256 KB. If you go with standard, you get these additional features like topics, transactions, and in the premium you get these other features along with 100 MB message size. So here you need to see that which pricing tier best suits according to your application. Since I am only going to use Azure Service Bus as a queue management system, so I can send messages to this queue and it will trigger my function apps. For my need, the basic will work because it supports the queues and scheduled messages, and the message size is also okay because I am sending a JSON body which is not that much big. Now if we go down, we will see the pricing. If you only use the basic tier, then you are charged on the basis of operations, which is $0.05 per million operations. And here they are telling that any operation that an operation is an API call to the service bus. So for a million API calls to the service bus, you will only be charged $0.05 if you are on the basic tier. If you go with standard and premium, the price increases. Also, if you go with standard and premium, you also have this cost which you have to pay every month. So 0.0135 per hour, you will multiply it with 24 for 1 day cost, and a month has 31 days, so you will multiply that with 31. So it's around $10 something which you have to pay in any case, and after that you have to pay according to the usage. So with the basic tier you do not have that, but again the basic tier has limited functionalities. In my case it is according to my needs, so I will deploy service bus with the basic tier. Now you're going to open your Azure portal and sign into your Azure account. On the search bar we are going to type service and bus. Here we will see service bus. Click on it. We are going to click on create. First of all, select your Azure subscription, then you can select your resource group or create a new one. I am going to select mine. Then we need to enter a namespace for our service bus. I am going to write mine right now. Once you have typed your namespace name, it will verify if it is available or not. Then you need to select your location. In my case, it is East US. And most importantly, the pricing tier, I am going to select basic and you're going to choose accordingly. So make sure you select the correct pricing tier according to your application needs. Now you can enable geo replication, but this is only available for premium namespaces, not for basic or standard. I am going to click on next, the TLS version, next, networking, public access, because we need to access it. Now you can give the tag and a value for easiness in management. So review all the details, and once they are verified from Azure, click on create. You can see it has started the process. Here we have our latest resource, which is our service bus namespace. If I click on it, it will show my service bus, and from here you can make queues and do the data. So for that you have this queue button right here where you can create a queue. Topic is not enabled because I am on the basic tier. If I click on the add button for queue, I can give it a name, its max size, delivery count, and all these things. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.